several months of heavy studying with a well-known university here in UK, also with a global audience, so having students from all over the world, I decided to amuse myself by purchasing this heavy bag of little and bigger beads from Sabrikas, which is a seller selling from Aylesbury in Buckinghamshire and also with an eBay and Amazon audience. I decided to purchase my items from Amazon because they deliver the items the next day via the Prime membership, and look at them, how beautiful they are. The seller says they should be 80 grams per pack. Actually, altogether there were 266 grams, as you saw there, of items, of beads, which were separated into 3 bags, one called Serene Sapphire, the other one Arabian Nights, and the third one Mother Earth, which are basically colors of turquoise, orange, green and brown. And besides, I decided to buy also these spacer beads you saw there, and are so beautiful, from a different seller also on Amazon. These glass pear drop beads, which are gorgeous. It's much better if you buy in bulk like this, so you pay, like, depending from seller to seller, from £7 to £10 or even more. Also 600 pieces of 45mm long wires which are needed, and these gorgeous European glass spacer beads. I love especially the one on the right. I also purchased these tea-battered spacer beads, which are rather small, so I'm not going to use on this project. And look at the beautiful colors. And this is what I have done earlier. These teardrop jewelry, which I'm going to use for my ankle and feet bracelets. I really like that. You also need lots of pliers, and this is what I purchased in the past. Lots of sellers, they also sell you pliers for different projects. So if you want to buy in bulk to do like lots of ankle jewelry or whatever you want to do, bracelets, earrings, is much better if you are to buy in bulk. And what I've done there, I separated everything into 16 plastic bags based on their color, size, pearls and so on. These are the 2 of them I made earlier on, and I love them so much. They are so beautiful and so cute. I have got some baubles, some Christmas baubles having this kind of stuff, so you never know, in the future I might even make stuff like this for Christmas baubles. For this project I'll be using these 45mm long wires. They have got good gauge. I'm not sure what is it. It wasn't written on the pack, but they're rather strong. So silly me, when I was a child, if I was attempting to do some kind of jewelry like this, I was using my nails. No, girls, don't destroy your nails. You need pliers. So you need a flat plier and also a round plier, which you're going to see later on. And you also need beads. For this project I'm using 4 types of beads. So we are attempting to make those 4 bead pear drop jewelry you see there. And here we start. Putting all the beads on the wire is very straightforward, very simple. And afterwards we are going to start using pliers. So as you saw recently, I haven't made many projects beside the Christmas cards which I made recently. And as I said, because I have been studying hard, I didn't have time to work on other projects. And to also celebrate this, the end of this course, I decided to make my nails. And you can see here, I have very long nails because I use the Gaussian gel, which I also purchased from Amazon. Great value for money. Now, the next step for this jewelry is to turn the angle using the flat plier to 45 degrees. So, and afterwards we are going to rotate the wire with a different plier. So it's very important to have at least 2 different type of pliers, flat and round. And it's a bit more difficult, as you can see there, but it's just a matter of practice. And this is my first, this is the 3rd attempt with the first 2 attempts there you saw. And now we straighten the loop with a flat pliers is as simple as that. Look how beautiful they are. I love this combination. It's just gorgeous. So let's try to make the second one. So we are putting first the beads, and then we are going to use a flat plier to turn the wire to a 45 degrees angle. Don't use your fingers, don't destroy your nails. There you have it. Yes, that's one. And now, using a different type of plier, a round plier, we make that loop. And look how gorgeous it is. And the third step is to flatten that loop to look nice and professional. Yes. And there you have it. Look how gorgeous it is. Well, I hope this influenced you in purchasing the right items in the right place. I decided to go to Amazon because I wanted to buy lots of items in bulk, as you saw there. I don't go with like 10 beads or 10 beads there or 5 beads here and there. It's much better in order to have value for money, and you can make so many pieces of jewelry with all these purchases I made here. Well, as ever, thank you for watching, and